Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add this Soul Pro transition effect in CapCut for PC. So before I'm just going to just for the image duration, select menu settings and then edit. So set for image duration into zero point 0.0 second, just click save. Alright. Go to media and import your videos or photos you like to edit, and I'm going to select yeah, images to drag. Right, select transition and then select overlay. You can find the dissolve pipe or dissolve core 1, 2, and then 3 thing. Right. Now I'm going to select dissolve 5. So this is perfect. You have to join properties to be able to use this effect. But you can change for the transition to dissolve 2, 3, or dissolve 1 if you don't have CapCut Pro. Right. Strike and just for the duration and 1.0 second and apply to all the clip and see the result. Right, you can add effect, video effect, check, see the result. Right, yeah, so basically what I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.